Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Gemini credit card will be available in the summer of 2021. It is one of the most fascinating developments in the cryptocurrency world. Tesla Inc. founder Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin, causing the coin's price to rise 254% in less than 24 hours.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dogecoin. This is the cheapest cryptocurrency to buy in 2021. Thanks to Elon Musk calling himself the Doge Master, this coin has seen the spotlight after a dodgy history. Created in 2013 as a meme coin, nobody expected this coin to become legit, let alone be included in the top list of cryptocurrencies.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.